So this is a test of the little foam windscreen. And it's not real windy today, but it's definitely windy out here. So I'm holding these side by side, walking towards the wind. And now I'm going to turn and walk back to the house. See, light's still on. So I don't know how bad that is. We'll give it a test. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Okay, I'm turning it off. The little foam windscreen. And it's not real windy today, but it's definitely windy out here. So I'm holding these side by side, walking towards the wind. And now I'm going to turn and walk back to the house. See, light's still on. So I don't know how bad that is. We'll give it a test. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Okay, I'm turning it off. The little foam windscreen. And it's not real windy today, but it's definitely windy out here. So I'm holding these side by side, walking towards the wind. And now I'm going to turn and walk back to the house. See, light's still on. So I don't know how bad that is. We'll give it a test. Test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Okay, I'm turning it off. We're going to take a look at the GoPro windscreens. I got these on eBay actually. It was $7 for one or $10 for two, so I went ahead and got two. And they're just, you know, cheap closed cell foam rubber, or whatever you want to call that. And you figure that's where the lens is going to poke through. That's the back, that's the shutter button, that's the power button. So you just work it in there, like so. And, I mean, it's not a custom fit maybe, but it works. You can't see the tally light, the little red blinky light, if you like that. You still have the power button. You can see the back. It's got a cutout here, so if you want to, let me get out the other one, you know, still use it on a mount, your GoPro on a mount, that would be there. But you'd have to put this on first, so you would put your GoPro in here. I have a 5 and a 7 here, just like in the test. I think I put it on the windscreen on the 5. So there's that. And then I'd wrestle it in here, which is going to be a little harder now that I have the cage on it. I would be careful that you don't tear it. Doesn't work real well on my gimbal, but it does work. I can make it work. And then you just put that on there and screw that in, right? GoPro windscreen, bought on eBay, and there's lots of people selling them. Like I say, mine were $7 or 2 for 10. I think shipping was free. I don't know how your gimbal works, but mine works with me sliding this on the front of my GoPro and then putting the GoPro here and screwing these in. So I could do that still if I just work this around, or put it on there before I put on the windscreen, and then I could get to that and screw it on. Now I would have to squish that flat there, but that's no big deal. I put my GoPro and my gimbal this way so that I have the power switch out.